Welcome to the IGCSE November 24 question, paper 1, question 21. I'll walk through. There's a worksheet on the website for you to work through after this, of course. This is the question, and it's a bounds question. As soon as I see a bounds question, I pick every number in it, and I write the upper and lower bounds for them, just to make sure that I've got them all in front of me, because I think it just makes my life easier. So I've got 28.4, so x equals 28.4 to 1 decimal place. So the upper bound of that is 28.45. The lower bound is 28.35. That's x. Y is 17 to 3 significant figures, so the upper bound of that is 17.5, and the lower bound is 16.5. 90 to the nearest 5, which is W. So the upper bound is 92.5 and the lower is 87.5. We can get that. Now I want the upper bound, and it's a divide. Because it is a divide, I need the biggest here, and I need to divide by the smallest W. So the numbers I'm going to choose are 28.45 to be x. My y will be my 17.5, because that's the biggest, and my smallest divided by the 87. Got them in, written them down. Make my calculator look like that. Which gives me 12.75 0.31429. There we are. Done. So let's have a look at a we do. Right, so we do. We've got some numbers. We've got to calculate the upper bound. So what is the first thing I did? The first thing I did was I wrote the bounds of each number. So x 35.25, 35.15. Y 24.5, 23.5. W is again to the nearest 5, so 75. Half of 5 is that. Right, I've got those. Now I want the biggest and lowest choices. So my x squared, is it biggest or smallest? It's my biggest. I am taking away a y squared, and I want to make the biggest answer. So I want my biggest or my smallest. I want my smallest. I am dividing, so I don't want to divide by my biggest or my smallest. Smallest. Hopefully you've worked through that. You've got those done. Make your calculator look like that. Which gives me, on my calculator, 9.521551724. Brilliant. Thank you. Well done.